Ready to ace your UK theory test? Let's find out how well you really know the rules of the road. In this quiz, you'll face real-life questions designed to sharpen your judgment, boost your confidence, and get you one step closer to passing your test. Track your answers, share your score in the comments, and let's get started. Question 1. You're turning right onto a dual carriageway. What should you do if the central reservation is too narrow to contain your vehicle? The answer is D. Wait until the road is clear in both directions. Question 2. What must you check before you drive someone else's vehicle? The answer is C. That the vehicle is insured for your use. Question 3. What does this sign mean? The answer is A. Zebra crossing ahead. Question 4. You lose control of your car and damage a garden wall. What must you do if the property owner isn't available? The answer is D. Report the incident to the police within 24 hours. Question 5. Why should you keep well to the left as you approach a right-hand bend? The answer is A. To improve your view of the road. Question 6. How does drinking alcohol affect your driving behavior? The answer is D. It increases confidence and may cause risk-taking behavior. Question 7. You're approaching a red light at a puffin crossing. When will the red light change? The answer is C. When the pedestrians have cleared the crossing. Question 8. Why should you look carefully for motorcyclists and cyclists at junctions? The answer is B. They are harder to see. Question 9. You're at a junction controlled by traffic lights. When should you wait at a green light? The answer is D. When your exit from the junction is blocked. Question 10. What shape are traffic signs giving orders? The answer is C. How are you doing so far? If you've got these first 10 right, give this video a quick like to let us know you're smashing it. It really helps us keep creating free content to help you pass your test. Question 11. What does this sign mean? The answer is C. Pass either side to get to the same destination. Question 12. What should you do before starting a journey in foggy weather? The answer is D. Allow more time. Question 13. This junction controlled by traffic lights has a marked area between two stop lines. What's this for? The answer is C. To allow cyclists to position in front of other traffic. Question 14. Which type of vehicle should you be ready to give way to as you approach this bridge? The answer is D, buses. Question 15. You're driving in the right-hand lane of a dual carriageway. What should you do if you see a sign showing that the right-hand lane is closed 800 yards ahead? The answer is A, move to the left in good time. Question 16. Which sign informs you that you're coming to a no-through road? The answer is B. Question 17. You take some cough medicine given to you by a friend. What should you do before driving your car? The answer is C. Check the label to see if the medicine will affect your driving. Question 18. Where should you avoid overtaking? The answer is B. Approaching the dip in the road. Question 19. What type of vehicle uses an amber flashing beacon on a dual carriageway? The answer is B. A tractor. Question 20. What does this sign mean? The answer is D. Crossroads. Question 21. What does this curved arrow road marking mean? The answer is D. Overtaking traffic should move back to the left. Question 22. When may you use hazard warning lights? The answer is B. When driving on a motorway to warn traffic behind of a hazard. Question 23. What is covered by third-party insurance? The answer is C. Damage to other vehicles. Question 24. You're having difficulty finding a parking space in a busy town. Can you park on the zigzag lines of a zebra crossing? The answer is C. No, not under any circumstances. Question 25. What should you do if your vehicle pulls to one side when you use the brakes? The answer is B. Have the brakes checked as soon as possible. You're halfway through the quiz. Great job. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next batch of questions. Question 26. What should you do when you see this sign as you travel along a motorway? The answer is D. Leave the motorway at the next exit. Question 27. You're towing a caravan. Which is the safest type of rearview mirror to use? The answer is D. Extended arm side mirrors. Question 28. What should you do if your mobile phone rings while you're driving or riding? The answer is D. Leave it until you have stopped in a safe place. Question 29. What does this motorway sign mean? The answer is A. Change to the lane on your left. Question 30. What does this sign mean? The answer is B. Water across the road. Question 31. What should you do if a tire burst while you're driving? The answer is A. Pull up slowly at the side of the road. Question 32. What should you do if you begin to feel drowsy while you're driving? The answer is B. Stop and rest as soon as possible. Question 33. What should you do when you park at night on a road that has a 40 miles per hour speed limit? The answer is D. Leave parking lights switched on. Question 34. What does this sign mean? The answer is D. End of controlled parking zone. Question 35. You're following a large vehicle. Why should you stay a safe distance behind it? The answer is C. You'll give the driver a chance to see you in the mirrors. Question 36. When may you overtake another vehicle on the left? The answer is A. When you're in a one-way street. Question 37. Where would you find these flashing red light signals? The answer is B. Level crossings. Question 38. What should you do if you think the driver of the vehicle in front has forgotten to cancel the right indicator? The answer is A. Stay behind and don't overtake. Know someone preparing for their UK driving theory test? Share this video with them so they can practice their theory knowledge and feel more confident on test day. Question 39. You're driving on the motorway. How can you lower the risk of a collision when the vehicle behind is following too closely? The answer is C. Increase your distance from the vehicle in front. Question 40. In winter, road signs can become covered by snow. What does this sign mean? The answer is A. Stop. Question 41. What's the reason for traffic calming measures? The answer is B. To slow traffic down. Question 42. You're on a smart motorway. What does it mean when a red cross is displayed above the hard shoulder? The answer is D. Hard shoulder is closed and only for emergencies. Question 43. Where would you see this sign? The answer is A, on a school bus. Question 44. Your car requires an MOT certificate. When is it legal to drive it without an MOT certificate? The answer is C, when driving to an appointment at an MOT center. Question 45. What does this sign mean? The answer is C, minimum speed 30 miles per hour. Question 46. What does a white P plus R sign indicate? The answer is D, park and ride car park. Question 47. You're carrying a child under 3 years old in your car. Which restraint is suitable for a child of this age? The answer is C, a child's seat. Question 48. Who has priority at an unmarked crossroads? The answer is B, no one has priority. Question 49. Your vehicle has stalled in the middle of a level crossing. What should you do if the warning bells start to ring while you're trying to restart the engine? The answer is B, get out of the car and clear the crossing. Question 50. Which sign means that pedestrians may be walking along the road? The answer is D. When you pass pedestrians in the road, leave plenty of room. That's it for today's quiz. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments and tell us which questions you found tricky. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, share it with anyone preparing for their test, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell on so you never miss a quiz to keep your knowledge sharp. Good luck on your test and safe driving.